Character Traits Task Card Number 1. Use context clues to fill in the blanks with appropriate character traits. Harrison was the kind of blank student who spent every second of every day working as hard as he could. You would never catch him playing around or chatting during school because he was constantly trying to do his best. When the other kids had already turned their assignments in, Harrison would still be working hard to finish to the best of his ability. 2. Character Traits Task Cards Number 2. Use context clues to fill in the blanks with appropriate character traits. Sophia was constantly giggling and joking around. Even when she tried to be serious, she couldn't help but continue to be a blank girl. Whether she was making faces or doing funky dances, Sophia was constantly doing something crazy. 3. Character Traits Task Cards Number 3. Use context clues to fill in the blanks with appropriate character traits. Lisa knew she was a blank person, but she couldn't help herself. It was easier for her to leave the dishes on the nightstand than to bring them upstairs and put them away. And it took more time to put her clothes in the laundry basket than it did to leave them on the floor. She had tried to keep her room clean before, but after she had organized everything, she couldn't find anything. She was just so used to having that mess around. 4. Character Traits Task Cards Number 4. Use context clues to fill in the blanks with appropriate character traits. Since Tiffany was so blank, her teachers, parents, and friends couldn't trust her with anything. When there was an argument and she told her side of the story, they always had to get the other person's side too, because Tiffany had a long history of lying. Once, someone had broken a lamp in the living room, and Tiffany blamed it on her little brother. Mom and Dad looked at their security camera, though, and saw that Tiffany was the one who really did it.